All right, guys. Today we're going to have the position review here for our trade report positions over on bullsonwallstreet.com. This is Paul Singh, the market speculator. Let's get to it. Twitter here. We've been in this one for a while. We entered around 46. There's been some ups and downs. Those of you who had targets at 50 hit them. I'm going a little higher. This is a longer term swing position for me. I'm looking at this range up at 55. And once we break out 50 out of 50 here, I think it's going to be a straight shoot there to 55. Doing quite nicely. Entered around 46 and we're up at 49 now. So we just need to get that break here. Now, if the market and we expect to test these highs here at 212. If the market can break over this 212 level, I think this is going to help stocks like Twitter a lot that are set up and ready for big moves and just kind of consolidating here, waiting for that run up. Friday's position, Shack, doing really well. We entered this as an IPO. We entered on a pullback of this breakout range here, right around 45.80. We're up to 47.59, so everything's looking good here. Tight target here, we're looking at 49 to 50, and looks like we might hit that this week. Now, Loco, this is a classic breakout pullback play, kind of that rounded pullback. Entered at 26. Got this nice breakout here to 27 on Friday. Looks like a little bit of a consolidation today, and we've got our target up at the top of the range at 28. So this is one of those post-breakout range plays, and so far so good. Now Brazil here, this one we entered at 480. There was a little bit of a pullback here, but now we're moving nicely up to 532. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a little bit of consolidation here before a new leg up, and we're looking for a target in the upper fives around 6, which when you look at a $5 stock, it only looks like a 1.2 gain here, but really, 1.2 points from a 480 stock is a pretty big gain. And we've loaded up on more shares here, even though it's a smaller position size for us overall. So looking good so far. Buffalo Wild Wings, this one has been a little bit frustrating, but I still like the setup here. We almost hit our target here on last week. We entered around 186. Just about hit our target, but now it's pulled back, testing that 50-day moving average again here. Entry, sorry, was at 185, now 186, so looking pretty good here. And now we're looking for that move again up to 195, and I eventually think we're going to hit 200 here. I've been calling this for a while. It's been on a nice run here, and I do think there's a magnet here to 200, so we're going to stick with it. And then Apple entered around 125 here. Looking good here, consolidating some of this run up, and we want to see that push now to 135. So those are our current positions. I've got 6 of them. We're bullish on the market. We were slightly bullish, but after this remount, looks like we're going to test that 212 area. Still not overly aggressive, but we've got 6 positions here. Now, if we get that breakout, we're set up really nicely. And this is the focus list here. Looking for some pullbacks, not getting them today as the market is up a little bit, and we've got some strong focus list stocks that are doing well. But stocks like GWPH, we want to see a deeper pullback. We're looking for good value here. LinkedIn, want to get some better value. And now, if you'd like to take a free trial to the Swing Trade report, go to bullsonwallstreet.com. Swing Trader, part-time trader, free trial. Put in your information here and you'll get a free trial. And you will get a nightly swing report here, which it doesn't look like I'm logged into right now. But the report has a video, nightly video, about 10 to 15 minutes. It goes over the game plan for the next day, focus list stocks, what we think of the current market, review of our positions, and then during the day, you'll get trade alerts and an intraday report.